Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney, and today I'd like to answer the question, why do I need new and up-to-date medical evidence if my medical condition is permanent and chronic? And examples, what I'm talking about would be situations where, let's say you have a severely herniated disc, or you've had back surgery that's not successful, but the last medical record was 2 years prior, and there's nothing in the last couple of years because really the doctors can't do anything for you. You don't want to spend the money going to the doctor when there's nothing they can do. The problem, of course, is that Social Security wants to see current records, and if you go into a hearing, I will tell you, with no medical records for the last 2 years, judges are going to be very, very reluctant to approve those cases, even if your condition is clearly permanent and clearly very chronic. And again, the reason for that is that judges are under a lot of pressure to demand medical evidence for every single claim, and in absence of 2 years of records, judges don't know what has happened. Could you have had some improvement? Maybe you had surgeries or something going on. I'm really advising my clients that the odds of getting approved when there's a big gap of a year and a half, 2 years, a year, medical records, it really makes your chances much less. So even if there's nothing the doctors can do, it's important to try to get to a doctor at least a couple of times a year, 2 or 3 times a year. If that means going to the ER, go to the ER. If it means saving up your money to go visit your doctor just to have them say there's nothing more you can do, your condition has not changed, do that. I really think that in this current climate, having an unbroken, consistent medical record without gaps is really, really essential. I'm not saying you can't win if you have a clearly permanent condition. You have your leg amputated, for example, or foot amputated for a condition that is not going to improve. Let's say you're brittle diabetic and you've had severe complications of foot amputation, vision problems. It's not going to get better. But without current medical treatment, judges are going to have that little nagging question, is really something going on here? And again, their gut feeling is they don't want to approve cases if there's not current medical evidence. So anything you can do to get current medical records, that would make your case that much stronger, especially from a specialist as opposed to a general practitioner, by the way. That's simply what judges are demanding these days. That's the climate we're in. So we've got to play by their rules. So hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and like it on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page. And if I can answer any questions for you, please reach out to me in the comments. Happy to try to answer those for you. This is Jonathan Ginsberg, wishing you well. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case, and a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.